A universe of galaxies scales things down even smaller to help your visitors visualize the entire observable universe. Using a CD to represent the size of our galaxy, the Milky Way, the limit of the observable universe goes out to about 10 miles in any direction. On this scale, 1 million light years will be 4 feet. The activity has to be done with at least 5 or 6 people with a lot of room to spread out. You'll be inviting the audience to build a model of the universe. Let's see how you might introduce this activity.
Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy. The visible part is shaped roughly like this CD, very wide, round, and flat. It has a bulge of stars in the middle. We're going to shrink our Milky Way galaxy all the way down to the size of this CD. Our solar system, the Sun and all its planets, including us, is located about halfway out from the center of our galaxy. You can't see our own star on this. Our own star, the Sun. It would be a bit like trying to pick out your porch light on a satellite photo of the USA at night. Anybody want to try? No? Okay. So, with our galaxy the size of this CD, how far away do you suppose the rest of the galaxies in the known universe are? Let's build the universe. Who wants to be the Milky Way?
Pick one person to be the Milky Way and hand them that CD. Then pull out the next CD, Andromeda, and ask someone to be Andromeda. Ask them how far away they think they should stand. Then flip over the CD to reveal the answer. That person moves 8 feet away from the Milky Way. Then pull out the next CD and send someone else off to their appropriate distance. Keep on handing out the CDs and stop before you get to the galaxy that is a quasar. All the galaxies you've handed out are just a few of the billions of galaxies in our universe. These are all relatively close to us. Your visitors may be able to see some of these galaxies in the telescopes, as long as the weather cooperates. At this point, you want to call everyone back in that's holding a galaxy. The next CD is a quasar, a very bright galaxy. 3C 273 is the most distant object that most backyard telescopes can see. It's about 2.5 billion light years away. On our Milky Way CD scale, it's 2 miles away. Save this one for the person who's been interrupting you throughout the evening. Finally, you take out the Hubble Deep Field CD and say, this represents the limit of the observable universe, over 13 billion light years, about 10 miles on this scale. Who wants to take this one where it belongs? There are at least 200 billion galaxies within the observable universe. Fill up a football stadium to the top with CDs to represent the galaxies within the observable universe. Imagine these CDs distributed all around us, from a few feet out to 10 miles away in any direction. Although galaxies come in a variety of sizes and shapes, the closer ones are generally going to look bigger, and the more distant ones are generally going to look smaller. The sizes of the galaxies on the CDs are not represented to scale, just the distances between them. This can also establish the misconception that we are at the center of the universe. Remind your visitors that the 10 miles represents as far as we can see in any given direction and does not represent the edge to the universe. No matter which galaxy you live in, on this scale, 10 miles is as far as you would be able to see.